These are our C-size Maglite flashlight cup inserts designed for Cashe, hidden Cashe, or for any of our C-size tubes. These are 1 inch in depth, and just like all of our other cups, they don't snap together like everyone else's in the industry. Ours actually thread. We have a very fine threading, and they thread together, and it is very solid. Doesn't go anywhere. Can't go anywhere. Each kit comes with seven cups and the matching spring for spacing. You'll notice that the spring fits specifically and perfectly inside there. So when you put your Maglite flashlight cap back on, you can retain the use of your Maglite flashlight. We also sell C-size tubes in aluminum, so if you want to use this as a Cashe, many people like to bury things like ammunition, or they like to organize pills separately. You can do that with something like this. What we have been getting a lot lately is people using them as pill separators for travel. So you'll put Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and they'll actually write on there what they want on Mondays, and it makes it very convenient. Locks together. You don't have to carry a separate pill piece. We also make a cap for this if you want to close off the top compartment. Again, this is the C-size. This is made for our C-size tubes. Again, it comes with 7. They lock together, made out of pure aluminum, 1 inch deep. Very, very, very effective. Now, if you want to use this as a solvent trap filter, we have a video that also shows how to use a solvent trap. We show it actually in working order, where you can drill these out to allow the filter to flow through the tube. And then the spring also acts, which is interesting, the spring also acts as a bottom filter inside the tube to collect the clean filter. And you take your valve and you open it up, and the clean fluid comes through. It's been filtered through. We supply the filters, the screens, all of that type of stuff separately if you want to use it for that purpose. This is what it's designed for. It's not designed for any other purpose. Please don't ask us for any questions regarding any illegal items. This is not what this is designed to do, and you can get these at thetriggershop.com.